Hello dear students, I am Manoj Bharti and I am going to teach mathematics to class 6. Today we will start with our chapter number 12. Angles. What is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays are having same initial point. Initial point means starting point. Here the rays OA and OB are having the same initial point O. An angle is written as angle BOA. BOA. And here BOA angle is equal to angle AOB. So angles are written in this manner. Now the rays OA and OB are also called the arms of the angle. The arms of the angle. Here the angle is angle AOB, or you may say angle BOA, and the common point is O, where these two rays intersect. Where these two rays are intersecting, the point obtained is called vertex. So vertex of the angle is O. And next topic is types of angles. An acute angle is that one whose measure is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Students, it is neither 0 degree nor 90 degree, but the angle whose measure is in between 0 degree and 90 degree is acute angle. Here we are representing the angle by the symbol theta. Again, right angle is that one whose measure is 90 degree. Obtuse angle is that one whose measure is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. Again, it is neither 90 degree nor 180 degree angle, because 90 degree angle is right angle and 180 degree is straight angle. So the angle whose measure is in between right angle and straight angle is obtuse angle. And the angle whose measure is 180 degree is straight angle. The angle whose measure lies in between 180 degree to 360 degree is called reflex angle. It is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. 360 degree is complete angle. Next we shall discuss about complementary angles and supplementary angles. Two or more angles whose sum is 90 degree are complementary angles, and two or more angles whose sum is 180 degree are supplementary angles. Here you can see in this figure all the angles has sum equal to 90 degree. Here all the angles are equal to 90 degree, as AOB plus BOC plus COD is equal to 90 degree. So all of these three angles are complementary angles. Again in this figure, two angles AOC and COB are equal to 90 degree. So sum of two angles are equal to 90 degree. So we may say that these two angles are complementary to each other. And here in this figure you can see that angle AOB, BOC, COD, DOE, EOF. Sum of all these angles is equal to 180 degree. So these angles are supplementary. Again in this figure you may see AOB angle plus BOC angle is equal to 180. So here these two angles are supplementary to each other. Thank you students. We shall continue our chapter in next videos.